Hello and welcome to this video about a Magnat MC SACD player that, well, basically is even a receiver, you could say, for it has a tuner and an amplifier, and as you can see there's a big transformer there. Surprisingly, it's actually a reasonably good sounding machine. And it has a Burr-Brown PCM-1738 DAC just there, and the laser is Sanyo SF-62, which I happen to have, and I replaced the faulty one because it didn't read stuff. As you can see, it's got a tube there, and I have no idea whether it is there just to look pretty or whether it does something to the sound. And it sounds good playing SACDs. I lost a bit of focus. I'm not listening to that. We are listening to the through the RCA outputs, but it has an amp built in. But I haven't really tested that. But the actual reading of SACD is surprisingly good as far as sound quality is concerned. So nothing much to say about it. It has a fair amount of regulators, but nothing big, you know. Like, it's not really an audiophile product, but you know, good enough. You can hear a bit of can there. Capacitors are Nifikon and Rubicon, as far as I can see. Quality made unit for those who want to roll up op amps. Well, all the op amps are there in sockets. That's all really I can say about it. I just replaced the laser in it. It was easy access from the top. A bit of fiddling and adjustment. Overall, you know, reasonable unit for your study, you know, or office system. All I can say about it. Thank you very much. Until the next one. Bye-bye.